Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Umkhokha on Monday, what goes up? Mthembus has a disturbing message for Spamandla. Mazungu tries to whisper poison to Nobonga. Ndlovu eagerly awaits his Mkhululi's return. On Tuesday, the mountain is forgiving. No, it's not. Judea gathered to welcome the Mkhululi with songs of praise. Supermandla delivers devastating news. On Wednesday, booyah, Spamandla calls a family meeting and urges them to confront a painful reality. Manzimande makes a painful accusations. Gabsile makes a shocking decision regarding her matric dance. On Thursday, your will. Spamandla makes peace with Mthembus' decision. Ndlovu holds on to faith. Nobuntu has a date suggestion for Gabsile. On Friday, is he alive? Spamandla resorts to extreme measure when Ndlovu defies him. Ndlovu continues to be a thorn in the flesh for the Mthembus. Nobuntu refuses to allow Gabsile to give up on the matric dance. Thank you for watching.